Tuesday morning to you, Tucson. It is 6 a.m. I'm Jose Sosaya.
And I'm Claire Graham. Thanks for waking up with us. This morning, we are hearing from local experts as the Supreme Court considers a case asking if it's constitutional to ban people from owning guns if they're facing domestic violence protection orders.
This question also puts the justice's decision last year front and center. A majority ruled gun laws must be comparable to a law from the 1700s, around when the U.S. was founded. KGUN 9's Reina Preciado looks at the impacts a decision now could have right here in Tucson.
It's been a week since the Supreme Court heard arguments to address the gray area in federal and state laws in deciding how similar a gun law needs to be to a law created in the late 1700s. It could be a while before the High Court decides if people under a domestic violence court order can be denied access to guns, but experts here in Tucson are already afraid of what this could mean.
As someone who's been serving as a domestic violence court judge for 13 years, yes, it's very concerning. Waiting for the outcome, because people in domestic violence relationships are much more in danger if there's guns involved.
Tucson City Magistrate Wendy Million leads the domestic violence court and tells me she just received a federal grant for a project to strengthen the community response to high-risk cases involving firearms.
We have a lot of people who want to be part of this that are just members of the community. So to me, it really shows that this is an issue that all of Tucson wants to address.
If the decision isn't upheld, she says this could gut the entire project. Judge Million says as of now, her 3 prosecutors have 400 to 600 high-risk cases each. And as far as the victims, the Emerge Center Against Domestic Abuse has a far reach as a resource. Last year, they served over 5,000 people in the Tucson community and received over 7,000 calls to their hotline. CEO Ed Sakwa says they won't be able to help as many people if guns are within reach for high-risk situations.
There's a 500% increase in the risk of being killed if your abusive partner has a gun. And when that person has proven that there is a risk in that relationship, to allow them to then have a firearm means that people are going to die.
Both Ed Sakwa and Judge Million say they see an uptick in domestic violence cases during the holidays. The Emerge Center Against Domestic Abuse has many resources available for people in search of safety in the Tucson community. Reporting from the east side near Speedway and Kolb, Reina Preciado, KGUN 9.